Hi kindergarten artists, today we're going to work with the art of pointillism. Pointillism is a type of art where you color in your picture combining a bunch of dots together. From far away it looks like you colored it in regular, but close up you could see the dots. I'm going to show you some samples and then we're going to get started. Going to draw an ice cream cone for this drawing and color it in using the art of pointillism. So the first thing we're going to do at the bottom of the paper is we're going to draw the bottom of the cone. I'm going to draw a curved line here. Don't make this too dark because we're going to erase this top line. And a line here curved and a line here curved. And we're going to connect this like this. Underneath we're going to draw the bottom of the cone like this. Okay, you can see that. I'm actually going to go over that with a marker so you can see it better. I'm going to erase this part though because the ice cream is going to go here. And then we're just going to put in our lines for that bottom of the ice cream cone. We could draw a line here. It looks like our ice cream cone is on a table. All right, so now above this, I'm going to start adding my flavors. I'm going to do about 3. So I'm going to draw some lines that look like ice cream is dripping, some curvy lines. And there's my first flavor. And then I'm going to draw a curvy line on top for a second flavor and another curvy line on top for the third flavor. And I'm going to add a cherry on top. Okay, so now is where we start to use the pointillism technique. So I'm going to start with the cone and I'm going to mix brown and yellow. And all I'm going to really do is just put the dots. So you're just putting a lot of dots inside instead of coloring. It's just a really cool technique. Some artists use paintbrushes. You can use markers, you can use paintbrushes. I don't know how well it will work with crayons. So I have a lot of brown there, so now I'm going to go in with the yellow and combine it. And it kind of tricks your eye from far away to see that it looks like it's one color, but it's really not. It's combined. Okay, so my cone is done. So now I'm going to go into my first flavor. I'm going to combine purple and blue. Okay, so just pretty much go all around it. The more dots you put, the more interesting and colorful it looks. But remember, you're not coloring, you're just putting dots over and over to fill in the section that you did. That's finished. I'm going to go into my next flavor where I'm going to combine yellow and green. And now I'm going to work on my last flavor. I'm going to combine red and light blue. You can use whatever colors you want, but it's probably better to combine 2 different colors together so it looks more interesting, if you can. You can do this with anything that you draw. It doesn't have to be an ice cream. It can be any object that you could do with a flower. That would be pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to do my cherry. I'm going to make my cherry pink, and I'm just going to use pink for this one. Okay, and there is my Pointillism ice cream cone. I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Don't forget to send me a picture. Thanks, bye-bye.